3 marks, 1 theorem. Let's get every single one of them. CSEC Circle Theorem video 2. Let's go. Now, for this question, AB is a diameter, 0 is the center, C is a point on the circumference, angle BAC is 38 degrees. We're asked to find angle ACB and angle ABC. So part A, the key is this. Angle AB is a diameter. Anytime you see a diameter and a point on the circumference forming a triangle, the angle at that point is always 90 degrees. I repeat that. Anytime you see a diameter and a point on the circumference forming a triangle, the angle at that point is always 90 degrees. So it means that angle in a semicircle equals 90. So therefore, angle ACB is equal to 90 degrees. That is your full 1 mark. Done. That's part A. Now we need to find angle ABC. Now remember that angle ACB is a triangle, and angles in a triangle, or let's say the sum of angles in a triangle is equal to 180 degrees. We know that angle ACB, angle C right there, is 90 degrees. And we know that angle BAC is 38 degrees. So it means that we have angle 90 plus 38 degrees plus angle ABC is equal to 180 degrees. So what is 90 plus 38? That will give us 128 plus ABC equal to 180 degrees. So therefore, angle ABC is equal to 180 minus, so 128 will move to my right, it becomes a negative, so it becomes minus 128. So therefore, 180 minus 128 will give us 52 degrees. So it means that angle ABC is 52 degrees. Full marks. Now, the moment you spot a diameter, you know that the angle at the circumference must be at 90 degrees.